Today we are going to start the preventive. Okay, maybe this is very important topic. Okay, preventive is a very key topic. Okay, so can you anyone tell me what is preventive topic or what is preventive or what you understand on that? What is preventive? Something.
Sir, if suppose there is a breakdown in the plant, we have to take certain measures, uh, predicting that this thing, like we have to act accordingly in order to face the breakdown. So we are trying to prevent it. So if suppose there is a malfunction or something, like we have to be ready for that. That is what I think it is.
You are telling after the breakdown happens, we need to cautious. You are telling.
No, before it.
Okay. Okay. Mm, mm, okay, fine. I'm not saying it's a wrong answer. It's correct only. Yeah, okay, it's correct only. Yes, any other answers, please? No, it's correct only. Any other answers, please?
To prevent the breakdown and we are prepare the checkpoints for that, and that is followed by the maintenance team for preventive maintenance.
Both of them. Okay. Preventive is a pre-planned or advanced planning to carry the maintenance. Okay. Yes, absolutely to avoid breakdown. Correct only. Nothing wrong. Okay. Nothing wrong. Okay. One more thing I would like to add. Now, for example, we have our transport, our bike or car, right? So that is the mode of transport for us for the office. We have office meetings daily 9 a.m. Very key office, important. My managers are joining. I should be there. If your vehicle gives issue, your bike or car, what will happen? Your manager will shout you, right? Your manager will shout you. So your mode of transport is very important. Correct? So even though everything is fine, 100, 200%, you will do your maintenance 2 or 3 months once. Even though the object is 200% proper. Getting my point? Even though my mode of transport is 100, 200, 300% proper, irrespective of anything, I do my maintenance in a proper way, not to avoid any failures. Right? So why I am pointing, I am making clear, even my object is 100%, 500% proper also, my planning will be there and my maintenance will be carried. That's what I want to mean to insist. Breakdown is coming or not coming, it may come. That is second point, irrespective of anything. No, absolutely, result is that only to avoid breakdown failure. I'm not telling wrong. But it's not the case after 20 days the breakdown may come, so I'm doing preventive now. That is not the case. Preventive is going to happen or not, that's not my criteria. Uh, what is that? I forgot. I'm getting the Vishnu. You are getting my point, right? You are
Yes, sir.
telling breakdown may happen 20 days. That is not the case.
Okay.
That is different scenario. That is condition based. What you're telling is predictive or condition based. Predictive or condition. That is different scenario. Indirectly that is here, but it's different scenario.
Okay,
If
sir.
this is not there, I know this won't happen, boss. Even though you need to carry the maintenance. That is called pre-planned maintenance. Getting what I'm correcting you, you're telling my breakdown may happen by 20 or 30 days. There is some chances you're telling, correct?
Yes, sir.
Even though there is no chance, also I need to carry my maintenance.
Okay.
Because my object should be 1000% pakka because it is a key object. key object. Right? Now you are clear, right? Why I am doing preventive. Any questions? Anyone? Okay. The steps in the preventive step are, okay, preventive step. Okay. Data of maintenance plan. Okay. Sorry. Rate of task list. Okay. Rate of maintenance plan, PLAN, not plant. Be clear. Planning plan, PLAN. Okay. Attach task list to maintenance plan. Scheduling. During scheduling, work order gets generated. Okay. After work order generation, our same process. Order number generated as usual. Release, confirmation, echo, settlement, business process. Same. Again, material, everything. Whatever you are doing in the work order, we are going to carry everything the same. But order generation is the key here. So this is the basic step in a preventive process. Okay. Task list is of 3 types. Maintenance plan, 3 types. Single cycle, strategy, and multiple counter. Okay. Attaching we are going to see, scheduling we are going to see. These are the steps in a preventive process. Okay. So what is task list? What is task list? Okay. So I am doing a car maintenance. I am doing my maintenance for my car. Right. What are the maintenance I will be doing? Air check, brake check, steering check, audio system check, engine check, what are the things may be there? Battery for car starting, battery check, still etc. Still etc. I'm giving rough thing. Okay, it can be added. So each 3 months, this list of activities to be repeated. The list of tasks I am going to do. So this list of tasks I can use many times. That means a number of time. There is no restrictions. This list of tasks is called as task list. The list of activities I am going to do repeatedly. There is no restrictions how many times I am going to use. A number of times I can use it. The system won't count how many times you are going to use it. You can use many times. This list of tasks can be changed when the work order gets generated. If you want, you can modify in the work order. No wrong, the system will allow. You can modify. It will be pulled, that's all. You can modify in the work order generates if you require to modify. Addition, subtraction, anything you can do. This is called as task list. There are 3 types of task list. General task list, task list, a functional application task list. Let me know anyone have any doubts or questions till now. Anyone have any questions? On the preventive steps or what is preventive or what is task list? Anyone have any questions?
No, sir.
Right. Okay. Right. Right, there are three types of task list. Okay. So this I told for the car, right? In my company, there will be different cars, 100, 10, 20,000 cars also. For any car, I can use this list. For any car, I can use this. Okay. Second case, I bought a car from Australia. Right. So here, the engine system is different. So the maintenance to the engine will be totally different from other things. Maintenance to the engine totally different from others. So this work I'm going to do for this engine can be used only for this car number, some number. For this, again I'm telling only one car, only one single car. That means only for that one equipment. Single only for one single equipment. That is called equipment task list. Even if you try to use this for different objects, the system will not allow, because this activity is linked in the system for one object, only one object. Even if you try, you cannot use for other objects. Same function location. The task list can be used for only one single FL. Only one single equipment. It's one of the important question. What is the difference between equipment and a general task list? Or equipment and a functional efficient task list? This many times they'll be asking me entry. They can. Why? What is the difference between equipment and a general task list? So write in your handout, please. That is a you can expect. Okay, very important question. Let me know if anyone have any questions on that. What is equipment and general task list? If you are able to understand, fine. Otherwise, let me know. See here. No. See here. Difference between equipment and general task list. Important entry question. Okay. So clear? Anyone have any questions on this? Right. Now.
I didn't get this only single equipment and single functional location.
No, who is asking? Let me try to understand.
Gopal.
Single means one equipment. This task list I will create for only one equipment only. While creation itself, equipment number will come. I'm giving the equipment, I'm creating the task list. So the task list is for that equipment number. In the system, if I'm using this task list for different equipment, the system will not allow. The task list is linked to this equipment number. That's what I told, one equipment. Only one equipment.
Okay.
You cannot use for other objects. You cannot use for any other objects. Only one object. Even if you try also, system will not.
Okay.
Because you will understand when in the system, you'll try to understand. You will understand it later. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now we'll see. One more thing is there. So car, right? Maruti. Okay. And then I don't know the car models and all. Okay, my son knows. Okay. What are the different car models here? Mahindra before car was there, right? Mahindra or something. Okay. And Zero, I don't know. Okay. Some car models are there. So for Maruti, okay, I have some list of activities. For any Maruti car, I'm not telling only for one car. Maruti, any car. If the company is Maruti, I'll be using this list of activities. There will be one car, there will be 1,000 cars, there can be pro cars. If Mahindra, the work may little differ. For example, here air check you are doing. Here the pressure may be 100, here the pressure may be 200. Brake check. Here may be hydraulic brake or something different. Okay, steering, automatic steering, not automatic, maybe this one, gearless, right? Again, for another car, the list of activities are different. So this is called group. Car, Mahindra, and Sierra is called the group. This is called the counters. You will see in the system if I go group and counters. For Mahindra, I can create more than one task list. One task list, another task list, again one more task list. This is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. See in the system, I will show. The report for task list is IA09. IA09, okay. IA09 report for task list, okay. See. Eleven is the group. If you see, nearly all are related to some pump or valve mechanical things. Correct or not? I'm telling roughly. Okay. Filtering, pumping, okay. Ventilation, painting, pump again, valve, pump. So this and all are mechanical things. Am I right or wrong? Correct?
Right, sir.
So under mechanical, they are split into different task list. This is one task list, this is one task list, this is one task list, this is one task list. See here, select the light, display. See, list of activities. See, again, next. Activities will differ. But all are mechanical. So that is called group mechanical. Group is mechanical. 14 task lists are there for mechanical. It is split into different counters. Now we are clear, everyone, what is group and group counter? Any questions? Any questions, anyone? We'll see in the system, okay? There is a small config for the task list, we'll see. A small config, okay? Profile, okay? Profile for task list, okay? If you go and see, nothing big thing here, okay? Your currency, your unit of hours, your currency, your EAM integration, visa, right, in the work order. That all are grouped together here. EAM integration, purchasing group, material group, cost element, your unit of hours, your calculation key, your currency, your work order operation increment numbers. Any questions in this screen? No questions. So I'm going to use this profile, just a template. The data I'm not entering manually, so I'm bringing to a shortcut, a kind of reference function location kind of. Okay. So the T code to create a general task list is IA05. IA05. Okay. I'm giving the profile here. Profile, this data will be copied. This data will be copied here from the profile. Okay. So this is the profile number. Okay, 11101 something, right? This is the profile, right? Write in your hand note, the key date in task list is very, very important. Overall in the preventive itself, dates are very important. You should be very cautious with the dates in the preventive. You should be very, very cautious. In that too in the preventive, dates plays a very key role. Dates plays a very key role. It only will play, I can tell, not very key role. Dates are the key. In preventive, dates are very important in preventive. Very, very, very important. Because if you change at one place, it may change the downline everything. So you should be very cautious before entering a date or changing the date in the preventive. You should be very, very cautious. Very cautious. If you change here, suddenly it may change below 10 work orders or 20 work orders. All the dates will get changed in the down orders. So should be very clear in the dates in the preventive. Okay. Write these in your HANA. Preventive dates are very important, and also the task list, the key date. I will discuss this in the lot. What is key date? Write in your HANA. Prevent task list key date. We will discuss that last late. Okay. So I've given the profile. Okay. I'm giving here car. It's not taking. So leave it. It will take a number. So 189 is our car now. Car. Okay. It is given with number 189. So what is the first car we came? Maruti, right? Maruti. Car service. Planning plan. Work center. Usage and status should be compulsory, mandatory for both the fields. If you are not maintaining 4, you will get error. You will get error mandatory. Okay. For any type of task list, the status and usage should be 4. Otherwise, it will give error for you. It will give error, should be 4. Status and the usage for any type of task list in PM. I'm telling for any type of task list in PM. Usage means you're telling this task list I'm going to use for our PM module. That's called usage. We used in work center also, right? Work center usage 009. Same case. There 009, here 4. If you are not maintaining 4, you will get error. Damn sure you will get error, no doubt. Defaulted it should be 4. Very basic fundamental, this and all. Okay. Status. Status means my task list is ready for activities. It is ready. Anyone can use the task list. That is called status. It is not in creation phase or some other thing. It is ready. Why not other numbers? Don't ask me. I don't know that and all. Because in my 11 years, I had used 4 only. What will happen if other use? I don't know, to try and see. But it will give error. Where it will give error and all, I don't know. Status and usage for any task list in PM, default 4. Again, I'm telling status and usage in any type of task list. In preventive process, in the task list, header. This is header. In the header, status and usage defaulted 4. Okay. So this is the header. 189 is your car. And you are going to create task list for the Maruti car, right? Go to operation. Take your and after this, here your work order operation screens. Work order operation only this screen is. See this calculation key, this HR, everything came from your profile. HR, your calculation key, your currency, your usage here. Everything came from the profile. You don't want to enter manually. If you are not entering your profile, this generally you need to give manually. That's all. Profile is not nothing, just a shortcut of your objects. This you need to give number of people duration, that may vary, that I cannot bring from the profile because the work and the hours may vary, right? So that you need to give manually. That you need to give. Any questions on the screen for anyone? Anyone have any doubts, questions till now? You can add your components, same like the work order. Select a line, go to components, you can add your material. Same stock, non-stock, same case. Same work order. Instead of entering the work order, we are creating and keeping the backend. That's all. Okay, stock, non-stock means same, everything same. Control key PM01, PM03. You can use external in the task list also. You can use external. PM03, remember? 03, external services, service entry sheet. We discussed. PRPO, service entry sheet. You can use the task list. You can. But this material group, okay. Material group. Okay. So data is missing. We'll see that. Okay. So component you can add PRT, production resource tools. Okay. These two we'll discuss later, not now. First we'll see this component, your PRT you can add. You can add your external services. Go to header, your group number. Group number is nothing but your car. Okay. Counter. This counter is for Maruti. Counter 1. This is counter 2. Again counter 3. Like that you can go. So let me know anyone have any doubts or questions in the task list. Anyone have any questions or doubt in the task list, please. Okay, so I'm saving. Task list is created. Group 189 car. Now I'm going for next car, Mahindra. The group number is same because it is car. Give the profile, press enter. Already Maruti is here. Click the plus button. New entry. Counter number will increase automatically. Group counter. Now the second car, Mahindra. Okay. Defaulted. No change. Status and usage. Give the plant everything. Operation. Add your activities. That's all. Group number is same. Car. Counter is 2. First car is for Maruti. Second car is for Mahindra. So coming under one group. This call group and this call group. Or any questions? What is group and group counter? Right? You add whatever you want. You can add. You can add it. Components. Add. If you have PRT, you can add. Save it. Now go to the report. What is the date? 9. Let me know anyone have any questions here. You can display. Select the line. Go to display. Header. Your car. Okay. Counter. Okay. Operation. You will list of activities as usual. Work order. Everything the same. Adding components. You can add your components. You can add your components. PRT you can add. This we'll discuss later. You can add any number of activities. Go back. Counter 2. Second task list. Header. Counter 2. Next car. List of activities. List of activities. Header. Counter 2. This counter number will be automatically incremented by the system. This counter number will be automatically incremented by the system. Description you need to add. Again, if you want the third, 0. Create. Okay, group is same because you are using car, press enter, third line item, counter 3. Okay, what is the third one? Some 0 something. Go to operation, add your activities. What activities you have, anything, what and you change. Okay. External is not mandatory. If required, you need to give, otherwise not required. As per the business, same in the work order. External work is there, you are going to give external. Otherwise, only PM01. That's all.
Your voice is getting break.
Now it is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me know any questions on till now. Anyone have any doubt or questions for till now? And the report. Yeah, tell
Cost
me.
and cost for the components and that will come in this sheet only. That
No, cost and all won't come here. That will be in the work order as usual. Cost and all, nothing comes in the task list. No cost will come in there. But you can see there is some T code. Actually, there is some T code for task list. Cost also there is some T code. Okay. But here you don't want to. Manually, we are not entering anything. Okay. There is some T code, task list costing also some T code is there actually. IA 25 or something. Some task list, I don't remember. I don't know correctly. Yeah, IA 16 task list costing. But manually, we are not entering any planned cost, actual cost. That will come directly in the work order. There is no field, planned, actual, estimated, settlement profile, sender, receiver, nothing. Only you're entering a data, that's all. But you can see, if you want, you can see the costing here, IA 16. Okay, one. Okay, what is the task you created? 189, right? 189, right? Group 189, right? Counter 1, we created one, right? Oh, it is asking order type. Order type. It is asking. Let me try. It is giving 0. Maybe the KP introduced labor cost is not set up. Also, the material is not having the cost. So it may be giving 0. Getting right? Labor cost KP26 activity type. Work center activity type, the cost might not be set up. If it is set up, you will get the cost here. This is only for information. Only for from if you use this task list, what may be the cost? This is only a rough information. That's it. This is not going to do anything in your work order. Only information. Maybe you can take as plan cost also. But there won't be a word here. Plan cost word and all will not be coming. Plan. Remember in the work order we have discussed planned, actual, and estimated cost. I don't know how. This and all nothing will come. This and all nothing will come in the task list. Nowhere it will come. It will give you a general cost. That too with a separate code. No settlement profile, no sender, no receiver, nothing. Okay. Right. Okay. Third task list is created, right? Refresh it. Third task list be created now. Third car. So like this, the group counter can be any number. There is no restriction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 90, 20, 100, anything. But everything is coming under car. Again, now if you are going for next one, after car, maybe pump or mechanical, anything, or engine, or go to the IA0, remove the group, give the profile, press enter. The next group will come 890. The next group, because this is not car, this is a different object. Give your engine or chemical related task is some chemical activity, or administrative, HR, administrative, cleaning, street light, gate maintenance, your security gate, your street light, your plumbing, general maintenance. This is general maintenance. Because that is not part of your car, right? So you can come here, okay, street light maintenance and plumbing maintenance, right? Security, and pay for your drivers. Like this, it can happen monthly. So you are creating your work order, so you need to do the payment so that you can do your monthly. You can keep this as a monthly work order automatically generated. So your payment to your everyone will do be automatically in this work order. Everything, gardening, painting, any painting related activities, etc., etc. You can create a work order. You can create a task list. Work order will get generated automatically monthly. So this is related to the general bit. Again, if in case you need one more task list, enter it, counter 2. That's all. General, specifically some any store related. Okay. Next task list. Add your operations. Store, what you will do. Material purchase or receiving, okay, and a checking, like that, related to store. Your crane maintenance, and lathe maintenance. So this can be half-yearly, this task list, because lathe you are going to do some routine maintenance half-yearly, your cranes, lift, right? So this may be half-yearly, 6 months once. This you can use this task list like that. So this is 190, counter 2, second counter. So this is for car, this is for general maintenance. Now I think everyone will be clear what is group and what is group counter and how to create everything. Oh, powers.
From where to select the frequency?
Sorry?
From where we can select the frequency?
Frequency and all in the maintenance plan, not here. I'm giving you example. Here you are not going to give the frequency in task list, because task list you can use n number of times. I told you 6 months, 1 month to make you understand, that's all.
Right.
Frequency you are not giving the task list at all. Frequency and task list is nowhere linked. Frequency will be given in your maintenance. Here there is no frequency. I told you can use a number of times. I'm making you understand, that's all.
Okay, sir.
I told task list you can use a number of times. There is no restriction. Frequency comes in the plan. That we'll see later. Right. Now we have seen gender task list. Now I'm going to do equipment task list. Okay. Yeah. Table for task list is PLPO. Table for task list. Dated on today. What is the date? 09/2021. We created now 30. Yeah. Okay. Here we are taking only general task list. If you give this, maybe here also 30 maybe. Some differences, even I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, this is operation. This is operation. Okay, this is operation. It is listing all the operations. Okay. So then there should be another code. Maybe 1 second. PLKO. Okay, go to PLKO. Five task list, what we created. This is task list header. What we saw is task list operation. Operation is the list of activities. So it is giving all the activities. What we needed is header means how many task lists is created. So if you see the number of entries, 5 task list. Execute only our 5 task list. PLKO, PLPO. PLKO header means only the task list, number of task lists. PLPO with the operations. So it is giving along with the operations. Okay. Right. Before we close, okay, 1 second. Yeah. So before we close, we'll see how to create the equipment task list. Nothing magic, very simple. Okay, equipment task list. Equipment task list. The T code is IA01. IA01. Okay. You need to give the equipment number compulsory because you're creating this task list for one object. You're creating the task list for one single object. So that object you need to give here compulsory. Any object. Okay, I'm taking this object. So the task list I'm going to create, I can use only for this object, even if a try system also will not allow to use for any other objects. Any other objects, it will not allow. Give the profile, press enter. See the equipment number is coming. The group is 27, 227. This 227 can be used only for this only one single equipment. Inside everything same. Only this equipment number will come. That's all. Header, all same. Come here, give your activities here. All you want, you can give it. No differences. Only three your equipment number will come here. Others, this and all same, everything, no differences. Okay. Everything same, that and all same, everything. Calculation should be put. So that's all. everything same. Again, your object will be there. This task list is created for only one object. Only one object. Even if you try, you cannot use for other objects. System also will not allow to use for other objects. That is called equipment task list. Important interview question. Important interview question. Write in your handnote, please. Difference between equipment and general task list. Save it. Okay. For that also you can have the next group. Okay. Press enter. Already one group is there. You can create for the same object. You can have group counters. No issues. From what you can tell yearly maintenance. That is half-yearly maintenance. This is yearly. That also can be there, right? For the same object, I need to do maintenance half-yearly. I need to do maintenance yearly. I need to do maintenance 1 year once. Can be case, right? For one object, you can have counters. This is same. Don't forget always. Okay. Operation, add your activities. Right. That's all. Save it. 2068 my equipment number, right? Save it now. Now, last is function location. IA011. You need to give the function location number. IA11, not 0, IA11. Okay. You need to give the FL number. That's all. I am about to finish. Let me know anyone have any doubts or questions. So this is for FL. Group number is different. Count is different. Everything, other thing, everything same. This will get added. That's all. This will get added. Operations. Add your activities. What activity you want to add it. Component you can add. PRT you can add. These two we'll discuss later. Not now. Okay. Save it. Okay. Now go to the report. Go back. I created it for equipment. If I execute, it won't come. The reason I didn't give the tick mark here. You need to give the tick mark. Equipment. Now it will come. See here. A general task list. B equipment task list. And T is task list for function location. See, task list didn't come now. T didn't come. The function location tick mark. Execute. We'll give it the T task list. T we didn't save.
It comes first line.
Available, sir.
Okay,
That is in first line.
I didn't notice it. Fine. Now we'll see how the system block it. Okay, this is the equipment, right? Okay. Create a plan. That just I'm showing. Don't worry. This is just for your understanding. Okay. This we'll discuss later in detail. Don't worry. Just showing. Okay. See, I'm not giving our number. I'm giving different number. Only number, one number I'll change. Instead of 68, I'm putting 69. Right? Come down. What is the task list we created? E227 1, right? There are. System will not allow because the task list is created for different equipment. Even if you enter manually also, system will not accept. It will throw error message. because this task list is created for 228, right? This task list is created for 68, finishing 68, but you had entered here 69. System will not allow even if you enter wrongly. Now see, I give the calc number of the system. I'm not getting it. I'm able to save it. This is the definition. What is equipment task list? That can be used for that particular one object. System will not allow even if you try also, you cannot. Same function location, you can try and see. FL. You try and see the system. Do and see. It will not allow. It will allow this task list for this only one single FL. For this only one single FL. 64.1 can be used only for this function location. With this, we are finishing today. Do-year practice. Any questions? We can discuss on Monday. Monday or what? I will let you know. Prakash and Gopal, let me know when is the sessions. Okay.
Okay.
So, any questions for today, guys? Any questions for today? Table. Okay. Try to understand and do practice. It will be simple. If you are not understanding the business system, you will not be able to understand properly. Everything I'm explaining with very easy business scenarios. Try to understand it. It will be very simple. Any questions before we close? If no questions, we can close the session. Okay, guys, regarding next class, whether it is Monday or when, I will let you know everyone in the group. Okay. Bye for today. Good night. Happy Sunday. No happy Sunday. Till my training is completed, no happy to anyone. Do your practice. That's what I will tell you. If you want job, no weekend, no holiday, no nothing. Only SAP for you all.